Hey y'all, it's Nisha and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be showing y'all how I did my wand curls for my little birthday party. So my hair is blown out. I went and got it trimmed and I was like, let's take advantage of this blown out hair. Let's do some wand curls for my birthday. The heat protectant that I use is from Adjo Beauty. It's the Blue Tansy Treatment Serum. And I'm just squirting a few pumps in my hand and applying it throughout my hair. And then also brushing it in my hair to make sure that all my strands are covered. Y'all, I don't know if like a serum type of heat protectant was like the best option because you don't want your hair to be weighed down. And this really didn't weigh down my hair, but I just think maybe like a spray type of heat protectant would have been better. I don't know. Basically, I just grabbed the only heat protectant that I have in my stash and used it. But I will say this one is silicone free. You know, a lot of heat protectants have silicones, but this one is silicone free. But this is not really going to be a tutorial. I struggled with these wand curls. You will see coming up. I struggled a lot. My left side was my more dominant side because I was holding the barrel with my right hand and then wrapping the hair with my left side. But child, once I got to that right side, it was a struggle, okay? And I already kind of knew it was going to be a struggle. So I got on Amazon and I bought a little heat glove thing because I don't think mine came with one. And I think, you know, I was used to doing wand curls and doing stuff on straight hair when I was relaxed. I didn't really need one, but I had to put on one today. I was a little scared. I was like, girl, you better not burn yourself. So I took the barrel and I just held it down, wrapped the hair, but as you can see, it didn't stay. My issue was that the glove is actually really slippery and you can't really tell if you have a good grip on your hair. So then I went and rewrapped it, and I'm obviously scared because I don't want to have any heat damage, and you know, my hair's already been blown out. I wrapped it around the barrel once, it didn't work out. Now I'm wrapping it around again, and I was like, please Lord, don't let me have no heat damage. But then I removed it and I was like, okay, this curl ain't that bad. So I just continued to do the same thing throughout my hair, you know, brushing it, holding the barrel like near the root, and then just wrapping and just trying to hold tight. You see, it's so hard. It's so hard. So here we go, trying it again, wrapping it around, getting a good grip on the hair. And I was holding it for maybe like 10 to 15 seconds. Y'all, this wand curling thing. Okay, so I can't really link it for you. I don't know if I really recommend it either. It's not terrible, but it's not great. It's one of those things that I've had for forever since I was relaxed, since basically a sophomore in college. That's how long I've had this thing. But I haven't used this since I was relaxed. I graduated college 2014. I went natural 2015. So that's how long it's been since I've used this thing. But it's by Jose Eber, which is pretty cool because his name is kind of close to my last name, Eberhart. But anyways, and it was just one of those things like in the middle of the mall, the kiosk, they're trying to sell you flat irons and curling wands, and I'm a sucker and I fell for it. But I actually did use this quite a bit when I was relaxed, but again, haven't touched it since. And now when I'm in the mall, which I'm barely in the mall now, and I'm at the kiosk, like walking past the kiosk, and they try to sell me a flat iron, I just tell them like, I don't straighten my hair. Boom. I also don't recommend this wand because there is no temperature control on this thing. You cannot set the temperature, okay? It says it goes to 410 degrees Fahrenheit, and I heard that hair burns at 415 degrees Fahrenheit. So I just be hoping and praying that this thing really only goes up to 410 because it just got an on and off button, and that's it. I will say that, you know, I've since washed my hair, reverted my hair back to my curls, and we don't have any heat damage. So thank the Lord for that. So even though in this video I seem somewhat calm, I was like a chicken with her head cut off. I was having like a little shindig at my house and I was running super late. So people were like starting to arrive and I was still curling my hair. I was making some macaroni and cheese. Y'all, I've been trying to perfect my macaroni and cheese. I haven't made it in a long time. So I would say within the past couple months, I've made it twice. The first time I made it, it was good, but I just left it in the oven just a little bit too long, okay? So this time I was like, we're not leaving it in the oven too long. It's going to be perfect. So I was like curling a few curls and then going downstairs and checking on it in the oven and making sure that it wasn't like too overcooked, you know. I wanted it to be perfect because my friends were coming over and I wanted to make sure that they thought my mac and cheese was amazing, like grandma's recipe type of macaroni and cheese. You know, I'm just trying to perfect my cooking. You know, soon I'll be with my man and I gotta make sure, you know, I can feed him. I'm not saying that a woman's job is to feed her man, but I want to feed my man. And so, you know, I've been practicing a few dishes, trying to perfect them. And I felt like this party was the perfect time to, you know, have my friends try my mac and cheese. We had hella food. Not only did we have my macaroni and cheese, we had wings, we had ribs, we had fruit, we had vegetables, we had egg rolls, we had cookies, we had cake. I feel like there's something else I was forgetting. We had drinks, you know, we had some libations, okay? It was just a good time. And really shout out to my friends, y'all. I have the best friends in the whole entire world. They always come through for me. They always come and celebrate with me. And for real, y'all, the Lord has really blessed me with like a good group of friends. I'm thankful for them, and I just pray that I can just be as good of a friend to them as they always are to me. Okay, so going back to this hair, as you can tell, I got rid of the glove. I was like, you know what? I've done this a couple of times. I feel safe doing it without the glove, and then I didn't have that issue with my hair like slipping off of the barrel and having to, you know, redo it. But when we got to the other side, I put the glove back on and it just felt so weird. I had to like, I don't know, I just had to get used to it. You know, you have that dominant side and then you try to do something on the other side and it just feels weird. And that curl wasn't the best curl, but we went with it. And again, on this side, I kept with the glove because it just felt weird. And I was like, yeah, I don't trust myself not using a glove. And then I had to remember, okay, on the other side, I was twisting or wrapping my hair going backwards, like away from my face. So I had to remember to do that on this side. And that was messing me up too. So y'all, just to spare you the struggle that I went through, I skipped the whole back section and I finally got it together here on the front section. I also didn't do like the pin curls. I know a lot of, struggling, but I know a lot of girls will pin their curls like after they've released the curl from the barrel. They will like pin it up and let it cool. I didn't have time for that. Absolutely no time. Maybe my curls would have lasted better doing it that way. So if you have time, definitely try that out, but I didn't have time. I also think that having like white girl hairspray to let it like really set and hold would have also helped this style last a little bit longer. And I had every intentions of getting white girl hairspray. I'm pretty sure I had gone to Target 3 times within the past 3 days leading up to this party and kept forgetting it. But I do recommend some sort of like hairspray just to help the curls hold. Like I had mentioned, some of my guests had arrived. One of my best friends, Kelsey, she arrived first. She really helped me out. Her and this girl named Christy, that was like a date of my friend. They really helped me out. They like came early. Well, no, really, they came on time. And I was running late, and people were coming later, but they came on time and they really helped me, put up my little few decorations that I had and really set up everything, make sure that I didn't have just random junk in the way, which is really helpful. Thankful for them. And then Kelsey had joined me in the bathroom. So at first I was on the phone with Nickinson, and then when people started arriving, I got off the phone, and then Kelsey came in the bathroom and we were just chit-chatting while I was finishing my hair. And yeah, so that's who you see shadow in the bathroom. Also, the bathroom is my happy place when doing my hair. Whenever I'm not really filming, I am in the bathroom doing my hair, standing up. But that's my friend Kelsey. She wanted to make an appearance. And then, ooh, child, we're on the last one. This actually didn't take that long. It took probably like 30-45 minutes. Not that long. What really took me long was all the breaks. And y'all see, this front piece was looking crazy. So I did go back and redo it, y'all. I was just like, I need my hair to look good. So if I gotta wrap it like twice around the barrel, that's just what's gonna happen, because I gotta do what I gotta do to make this, look good. It's my birthday, and it still didn't come out all that great. But once I kind of like ran my fingers through it, it actually didn't look that bad at all. The left side did already start to frizz up just a little bit with me going and opening the oven and the heat like hitting the hair or whatever. But I went ahead and put on my little birthday outfit, my little birthday dress, and put on a little makeup. And this is the finished results. I really liked my hair. It was big, fluffy, and voluminous. I am going to turn around and give you a little back shot. Ooh, that kind of sound nasty. But anyways, just give you the back of my hair. But yeah, that is it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.